Assalamualaikum. This is Hasib Goraya from HGTECH, and in today's video, here I am going to unbox Audionic Signature EARBUDS S-35. So basically, they are new and they are in new arrival. They are in the price of 5,500, and so let's begin. Here, as you can see, the name branding Audionic, the sound master. Here, signature earbuds S-35. Here, as you can see, 5.0 Bluetooth means that they support 5.0 Bluetooth, and 5 watts playtime. True wireless means that they are wireless, and touch button. They are touch. Here you will touch, they will work. And so here on the back side, they look Audionic, the sound master, signature earbuds S-35 model. Again, Bluetooth is their specifications. Bluetooth, play, talk up to 5 hours. Okay, you can listen music and call up to 5 hours. Have to charge them for 2 hours. Speaker unit 9mm. Earbud battery 40 mAh. Box battery 400 mAh. Bluetooth range 10 meter. You can connect your Bluetooth up to 10 meter. Box output DC 5 volt 0.5 ampere. Box input DC 5 volt 1.0 ampere, and charging input micro. Okay, you have to use a micro charging. So here, as you can see, touch button. You can by using touch button you can end call, increase volume and less volume. AHD sound means that they have good sound. Call alerts, it will alert you when there is call, and built-in microphone. Here is a microphone, and again up to 5 hours playtime. 5 hours you can talk for 5 hours and also play for 5 hours. Hand-free calls, you have to just you can easily call from here. And again, battery. Box battery means that this is the box battery and this is the hand-free battery. Comfortable wear, you can wear them easily. Very lightweight. Light indicator, they have light, battery indicator, and also battery indicator. So friends, these are features, and here it is simple, and also here is something written. They are from DANY Technologies, and packaging include earbuds with charging box, 3 sets ear gels, and charging cable, user manual, and here is written. Okay, so let's start unbox them. So here I will use this. So here is the box. As you can see, the box design is very premium. So let's open it. So here, as you can see, first let me remove this thing. So here is paper. Let me open it. Okay, so it is warranty card here, and as you can see, warranty expired on 30/4/2021. Today is 8 April 2020. So warranty is not started yet. 1 year warranty, good warranty. And the next thing, here are earbuds, and next thing, user manual. So here's a user guide, and they are very hard. So basically, this is the case. This one is hard plastic. This one is again plastic but look like metal, and the look is very good. Here, as you can see, model number and earphone capacity, and they're made in China. So let's open it first. Okay, so this one is right, this one is left. So first, they have built-in magnet, so you can, and this one is right, and this one is left. Okay, I will take out from box. This light will start working, and you have to charge them from here. and you cannot charge them from here. Okay, you have to charge them from box. So friends, subscribe this channel if you want a quick review. I hope that you like this unboxing. For viewing of you have to subscribe this channel. The next, inshallah, the next video will be a review I will use in outside, in my home and everywhere, and check its might. Then I will make you, because the price of this hand free is not less. It is 5500, and in 5500 what you should buy it or not. So subscribe this channel. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.